But I guess got to say to the Bernie folks, she did win fair and square. There should be no... Let me just give you the stats so you know that there should be no quarterback controversy here, okay? She won a majority of the pledge delegates. She won the popular vote. She won a majority of the states. She won all the important swing states. She won 27 out of 39 primaries. If it wasn't for caucuses, which are less democratic, he wouldn't have been as competitive as he was. And she finished big. That was a big talking point. Oh, you know, she's limping to the finish line. No, she kicked his ass at the finish line. So it can't be the case, like I said, where it's fair when you win and rigged when you lose. She won, and I think it's often seen when someone has big crowds that means something. Trump gets big crowds, he gets big crowds. Her crowds, they're just different people. They're older, they're women. They don't, would I go to a political rally? No. It's for people who have a lot of time on their hands. It's who shows up in the voting booth.